Hello and welcome to English with Confidence. Today, we are going to learn one very important skill: how to speak English on any topic. Many English learners know grammar. They know many words. They watch English videos. They can understand English. But when someone says, "Speak about this topic," their mind becomes blank. They do not know how to start. They do not know what to say next, and they become afraid of making mistakes. But you do not need perfect English to speak about any topic. You need a simple structure, you need practice, and you need the confidence to keep speaking. So let us learn some simple methods that can help you speak about almost any topic. First, start with a simple opening. Do not spend too much time thinking about the perfect first sentence. Just start. You can say, "Today I want to talk about education," or "Today I would like to talk about health," or "I think this is a very important topic." These sentences are simple, but they help you break the silence. Once you start speaking, your next idea often comes naturally. For example, if the topic is health, you can say, "Today I want to talk about health. I think health is very important because it affects our daily life." For example, when we are healthy, we can work, study, and enjoy our time with our family. See, you started with a simple sentence and then continued. Second, use the point, reason, and example method. This is one of the easiest ways to build an answer. First, give your point, then give a reason, then give an example. For example, the topic is education. I think education is very important. It gives us knowledge and helps us make better decisions. For example, education can help a person build a better future. That is already a complete answer. Let us try another topic. I think exercise is important. It helps us stay healthy and active. For example, walking every day can improve our health. You do not need 10 ideas. One point, one reason, and one example can be enough. If you want to speak longer, add another reason and another example. For example, education is important because it gives us knowledge. It also helps us develop confidence and useful skills. For example, students can learn communication skills through group activities and presentations. Now, your answer is longer and more detailed. Third, ask yourself simple questions. When you do not know what to say, ask questions. What is it? Why is it important? How does it help people? What are its advantages? What are its problems? What is my opinion? Can I give an example? Let us take the topic of technology. What is technology? Technology includes tools and systems that make our life easier. Why is it important? It helps us learn, communicate, and work. How do I use it? I use technology to watch educational videos, learn English, and communicate with people. Now you have several sentences. Questions create ideas, ideas create sentences, and sentences create speaking. Fourth, use simple connecting words. Connecting words help you move from one idea to another. Use words like first, also, because. For example, but, however, so. That is why. Finally, for example, in my opinion, English is important. First, it helps us communicate with more people. Also, it is useful for education and jobs. For example, we can use English to learn from videos and books. However, many learners are afraid to speak. That is why daily practice is important. Finally, I believe English becomes easier when we practice every day. Simple connecting words can make your speaking much smoother. They also give you a little time to think about your next sentence. Fifth, add real-life examples. Examples make your ideas clearer. Instead of saying, money is important, say, money is important because we need it for daily needs. For example, we need money for food, education, health, and other important things. Instead of saying, reading is good, say, reading is good because it improves our knowledge. For example, reading English stories can help us learn new words and sentence patterns. Whenever you do not know what to say next, give an example. Your daily life is full of examples. Use your family, your work, your studies, your friends, your city, your experiences, your mistakes, your learning journey. Sixth, speak from your own experience. You do not need to sound like an expert. You can speak about what you have seen and learned. Use phrases like, in my experience, in my opinion, in my life. I have noticed that. One thing I have learned is. For example, in my experience, English becomes easier when I practice every day. I have noticed that speaking aloud helps me remember words better. One thing I have learned is that mistakes are a normal part of learning. Personal experience makes your English sound more natural. It also helps you speak without memorizing a long paragraph. Your own life gives you many ideas. Seventh, use simple words. Many learners think difficult words mean better English, but clear English is better than complicated English. You do not need to use big words. If you forget a difficult word, use an easier word. If you forget exhausted, say very tired. If you forget expensive, say it costs a lot of money. If you forget assist, say help. If you forget a word, completely explain it. For example, if you forget umbrella, you can say, the thing we use when it rains. Do not stop speaking just because you forgot one word. Keep going. This is an important part of real communication. Eighth, practice the 1-minute speaking method. Choose one topic. Set a timer for 1 minute and speak without stopping. Your topic can be anything. My family, my daily routine, my favorite food, education, health, success, technology, friendship, English learning. For example, today I want to talk about English learning. I think English is important because it helps us communicate with more people. In my experience, learning English takes time. For example, listening and speaking every day can improve our skills. I believe mistakes are normal. Finally, I think anyone can improve their English with regular practice. That is a complete 1-minute speech. Do this every day. Record your voice. Listen to it. Find 2 mistakes. Correct them. Then speak again. You do not need to correct everything at once. Improve little by little. After a few weeks, you will notice that speaking becomes easier. Your brain will start finding words faster. Your pauses will become shorter, and you will feel more comfortable speaking English. Ninth, practice different topics. Do not practice only one topic. Make a simple topic list. Day 1, health. Day 2, education. Day 3, friendship. Day 4, money. Day 5, technology. Day 6, success. Day 7, English learning. Speak for 1 or 2 minutes about each topic. When you practice different topics, you learn new words, new ideas, and new sentence patterns. Your mind also becomes faster at creating English sentences. You can even repeat the same topics after 1 week. You will be surprised to see that the second time is easier. This happens because your brain already knows some ideas. 10th, never stop because of mistakes. This is one of the most important rules. Mistakes are not the enemy. Mistakes are part of learning. If you say, he go to school every day, correct it later. He goes to school every day. If you say people is busy, correct it. People are busy. Speak first, correct later. Do not try to make every sentence perfect before you say it. That will make you slow and nervous. Remember, fluency does not mean speaking without any mistakes. Fluency means continuing, even when you make mistakes. If you forget a word, explain it. If you make a grammar mistake, correct it. If you feel nervous, speak slowly. If your mind goes blank, start with a simple sentence. You can always continue. So let us remember the complete method. Start with a simple opening. Give your opinion. Give a reason. Give an example. Ask yourself questions. Use connecting words. Share your experience. Use simple English. Practice for 1 minute every day. Record your voice. Listen to yourself. Correct a few mistakes. And never let mistakes stop you. You do not need perfect English to start speaking. You need to start speaking to improve your English. So choose one topic today. Speak for 1 minute. Make mistakes. Correct them. And speak again. Tomorrow, choose a new topic. Speak again. Keep repeating this process. With daily practice, your mind will become faster. Your sentences will become better. Your vocabulary will become more useful. Your confidence will grow. And slowly, you will be able to speak English on almost any topic. Keep learning, keep speaking, keep practicing, and keep improving your English every day. This is English with confidence. Start speaking today.